The Amico MIG-130A Welder is a versatile and easy-to-use machine that features advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring excellent arc stability and perfect welding results. With dual voltage capabilities, this welder allows seamless switching between 110 volts and 220 volts, making it suitable for various work environments. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 18 pounds, makes it highly portable and user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and professionals. The welder comes equipped with an intelligent power supply system that automatically detects and adjusts to the input voltage, providing reliable performance even in remote locations. Safety is a top priority with this machine, offering features like automatic voltage fluctuation compensation, overheat protection, and overload protection. The Amico MIG-130A boasts an 80% duty cycle at 130 amperes, ensuring long-term effective welding without interruption.